So I've got basically a live mix media studio station set up here, and can show you basically some different screen setups. So here's my green screen, and now this is kind of look at the main room. And what I'm doing is I'm just beaming in my sports Sony camera into OBS Studio. So we can start here on my right. I've got a 32-inch touchscreen plus pen, Wacom tablet, Stream Deck. A PC I'm going to be replacing with something much more powerful, perhaps even a laptop. We're basically making a couple different cases for live streaming and remote in-camera virtual effects, pre-production, VAD, Superstation kind of stuff. In the middle here I have my laptop, Mac laptop running Assimilate right now. It's beaming the other screen to a touchscreen 16-inch Wacom Cintiq. I've got my brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max and an iPad. Over here I've got the Rode Studio, which I use for mixing in different mics, remote callers coming in from just a regular phone call, as well as I've got tabs there or pads I can create beats and drop it in. I got a full Ableton Live remix station. And the big screen back here is YouTube Live, so I can see all my stream health analytics and interactive chat. Because now I can basically be back in this space, and I have a wireless lab, and now I have all this space to work through. Maybe like that's better. Green screen, and so the whole idea is now I'm butt out of seat and I can move around my creative space. And I'm getting all the cameras dialed in, and then virtual production systems within the Real Engine set up next phase. So let me do a quick demo, and we can go into what it's like if we want to do it a simulate demo, and show people a product, do a product demo, say an educational experience, or also a real live work on a project. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to camera 2 and camera 3 and camera 4. And so here I'm going to transition camera 2 now. You can basically see here's the Assimilate setup. And what's cool is I have I can manipulate in real time with touch all the color controls. And so we're working on creating a really cool all-in-one system with real fast controls to change the game of this pre-production world so it's fast, like a DJ, like a visualist, working in real time. And now say I want to bring in a caller or a guest, I can basically go to here, and this is just my live stream channel in Slack. So I can open a Slack group and just go boom, right into a live stream channel, join with the camera, click allow. I'm going to kill the audio, and because I'll get an audio loop, and boom, and now hi, how's it going? So you can see I'm live here, and now I've also composited this over with here. And so hey, I'm a caller here, and now I can do the same thing but with my iPhone. And say we have somebody in Vancouver, BC, someone in LA, and me in Colorado, I can join now, turn off the audio and start. And now my phone's a camera. And what's cool is you can see basically here is now both of my guests can see each other, as well as they could be watching the live stream and interacting in real time. And so now let me show you what it looks like here. Is now I have two callers here on the upper right, and those are literally just coming in from phones. And so now here on the Assimilate software, I have a couple different layouts that I've set up just to experiment with. So here's like full screen, and now I can hit play. And we're kind of going in through and watching. I don't think the audio is coming out, but we could basically be doing live manipulation of color. And I could say, okay, pause there, and I can use these color wheels to change the color on the fly. And so we could basically do remote teams, virtual production, and sync the color from the cameras to the color in the virtual set in Unreal Engine, all on the fly with distributed teams. So that's kind of a taste of the studio that I've set up here. And as you can see, I can do all kinds of fun stuff and transitions to different screens. And then cut back to my Sony camera, kill that. And so that kind of gives you a demo of the whole studio here. And so it's a lot of fun to get this all set up, and then I'll basically be able to have remote zones in my studio to test and do new things. And so this is kind of a cool way to do collaborative shows and create a social network and all types of different programming content. So that I'll wrap there and say happy Friday. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.